What's up mga friendship? Well, the most awaited pageant in the Filipino community is about to happen. And I'm so excited to serve as your red carpet host and the pageant correspondent. So if you want to watch the grand finale, the tickets are still available. And tonight with me is one of their official candidates. Representing GMA Cavite, we have J-Rod De Los Reyes.
Yun. Hello.
Ay, wala mo ipakamay pa siya. Hi, J-Rod.
Hello.
Kamusta? How is your preparation?
Okay naman. Sobrang stress, pressured, pero napagdaanan ko na, so I have to face it again.
Is this your first time joining pageant?
Actually, ano ko na to, fourth time. Yung pinakauna ko nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, 2017, which is Lakan-Lakan Bini lang. Then, sumali ako ng 2017, Mr. GMA, doon ako natalo. Tapos sumali ulit ako, 2018. Then, 2019, doon na panalo ulit.
You graduated as
Tourism Management.
Tapos ano naging trabaho mo right after graduation?
Right after that, naging sales executive ako sa isang internet cable. Naging sales ako, naging manager din.
Tapos dito sa Saudi, you're just visit visa.
Yes, visit visa.
Dito ka pinanganak?
Sa Pilipinas, sa Caloocan City.
Tapos taga GMA. Caloocan taga GMA.
Yes. Then lumipat kami ng GMA kasi may bahay doon ng airpat ko, yung father ko, which is yung lupa ng nanay niya. Kaya doon na kami pinalipat.
Okay, ilang kayo magkakapatid?
Six kami.
Tapos
Ako bunso.
Ay, bunso pala to. Kaya malapit sa ano. So, para po sa inyong kaalaman siya, ay very close sa kanyang parents, di ba?
Yes. Family-oriented.
Di ba 6 yung crown na ibibigay? Sino para sa iyo ang top 6 or pinakamahigpit mong kalaban among all the candidates?
Para sa akin si unahin ko na si Brian
Oh yes.
Valencia.
Bet na bet.
Nag-background check na rin ako eh. So sila Vincent, sila JM, JL, Leo. Mga yan. Tsaka meron pa isa. Sino ba? Malik Yusuf.
Nice, Malik
Yusuf Malik.
What do you think makes you stand out among other candidates?
Maybe because I'm confident. Confident because I know to myself that I am not perfect. I don't have to stand out, and confidence is about believing in yourself in the moments of doubts. And also, true confidence is knowing who you are, embracing your flaws, and using your strengths to inspire others. That's for me, I think. That's what makes me stand out.
Okay. How many months na nag-stay ka dito sa Saudi?
2 months pa lang actually.
2 months. And okay, my next question is, what do you miss most about Philippines?
Of course, yung loved ones natin. Yung loved ones. Kasi mahirap mapag-isa yung loneliness and homesickness. Pero that's what makes us tough. Diba? And resilient as OFW. And being resilient is about finding always to strive because your family is your source of strength. Ayun lang siguro.
Why do you deserve to be the next Mr. International 2025?
Uy, parang nasa finals na tayo, top 10 ah. Well, basically, it's about I believe the title belongs to the someone with a heart. Siguro, papatunayan ko yun sa gabing yun.
Tingnan natin yung parang heart ni J-Rod. Mag-fast talk na tayo.
Okay, yan yung gusto
So ito
ko.
yung mga nyo na po malalaman kung anong mga tinatago ni J-Rod. Pwede mong
Huwag
sagutin.
naman sobrang hirap ah.
Basketball or pageantry?
Basketball siya.
What is your love language?
Physical touch.
What is your best asset?
Kilay.
Tuwing kailan ka nagagalit?
Hindi ko masagot eh. Pero, pagka na-trigger yung ko. Hindi, wag na. Ayoko Pero di ako nagagalit palagi ah.
Shoutout po sa nakasungtukan niya sa
Oy!
basket.
Hindi, okay lang yun. Kahit di mo na-ikat yun. Okay lang.
Take out or dine in?
Dine in. Mas ma-feel ko yung
Beach
pagkain.
or bundok?
Beach.
Sunset or sunrise?
Sunrise, syempre.
Summer wear or formal wear?
Formal wear.
What is your biggest insecurity?
My skin siguro.
Your favorite place in Saudi?
Home.
What is your comfort food?
Fried chicken.
Ano ang unang tinitingnan mo sa babae?
Ngipin?
Morena or mestiza?
Both.
Dito na tayo sa medyo mga silly question.
Yan, gusto ko yan.
Boxer or brief?
Boxer brief.
Lights on or lights off?
Minsan kasi nakabukas, minsan nakasarado. Parehas.
What age you lost your virginity?
Pwede ba hindi sagutin?
Si
Hindi,
Brian.
okay lang. Siguro,
Wax or jute?
ano kasi ako eh, grower.
Anong grower?
Hindi alam yung grower.
O hindi niya rin niya alam. Saan beda
Basta
pa
grower.
yan? Happiness or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Best,
Happiness, sorry. I want happiness.
best time for happiness? Complete the statement. I am J-Rod and I am
Mr. International Philcom KSA representing GMA Cavite.
i-invite mo lahat ng mga supporters mo this coming Friday.
Ayun nga, so kinigreet ko lahat ng mga supporter ko, mga friends and relatives, lahat ng mga dadalo. Please support us sa parating na pageant this October 10. Thank you.